Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Magic Bullet Blender. I have always loved the ease of using the Magic Bullet, especially the way you can shake it to keep it going, but was concerned over the plastic being transferred into my food. Since I noticed that near the blades, that part of the plastic starts to shear off over time. Also, the last one I had seemed to not go downhill quickly. The Magic Bullet chops, mixes, blends, whips, grinds and more, all with a simple twist of the wrist. Its included recipe guide can help you make quick, easy, and delicious dishes from appetizers to desserts. Do it all with high-speed blender and mixer system. Chop, mix, blend, whip, grind, and mince. Handy, versatile and easy to use, the Magic Bullet Blender and Food Processor takes up minimal counter space while showcasing maximum speed and versatility. With its unique design and compact size, the Magic Bullet Blender and Food Processor chops, mixes, blends, whips, grinds and more in less time than it takes to assemble standard kitchen appliances. Make the perfect smoothies and milkshakes, frozen cocktails, and pureed soups super easily. And with a wide array of dishwasher-safe attachments, cleanup is as easy as it gets. The secret to the Magic Bullet's time-saving efficiency is its specially designed blade and unique bullet shape. These features work together to quickly and forcefully circulate food back into the cyclonic cutting zone, allowing the Magic Bullet to do virtually any food prep task in seconds. Number 2 in this best personal blender for smoothies list is Black & Decker Fusion Blade Personal Blender. It is super easy to clean versus a full-sized blender, which is the main reason I bought it, and has a smaller footprint on my kitchen counter. Includes two 20 ounces bottles, which helps tremendously with portion control. The motor provides 275 watts of power to shred ice into snow and puree food quickly and evenly. Operation is simple with an on or off button that gives you control over the consistency of your drinks. Perfect for single servings, the blender comes with a pair of 20 ounces jars that include twist-on travel lids to keep your beverages in place no matter where you go. The powerful stainless steel Fusion blade is designed to crush ice and blend foods and liquids evenly, making it the ideal tool for creating mixed drinks and smoothies. Mix some drinks for a night in or create a protein shake to take to the gym. This blender can make customized beverages for all occasions. For details, let's watch more.
Black & Decker, blend up and go. The Black & Decker Fusion Blade single-serve blender is the fast and easy way to create portable blended treats. Two 20-ounce blending jars come with twist-on, spill-resistant travel lids that let you take smoothies, protein shakes, and mixed drinks on the go. Plus, the BPA-free jars and lids are dishwasher-safe for fast and easy cleanup. The 275-watt motor powers the advanced stainless steel Fusion Blade, which easily crushes ice and blends quickly and evenly. A simple power button controls the blender, automatically creating the perfect consistency for all your blending needs. The Black & Decker Fusion Blade single-serve blender, perfect smoothies on the go.
Our third choice is Ninja Nutri Pro Compact Personal Blender. This Nutri Ninja Pro Silver is super sturdy, lines up perfectly to the little notches in the base, so you know it's secure and power. Fantastic, takes less time to blend and pulverize my fruit, fresh spinach, ground flaxseed, a dollop of yogurt, a tablespoon of honey and protein powder. The Nutri Ninja Pro provides you with powerful nutrient and vitamin extraction performance to extract hidden nutrition from whole fruits and veggies. 900 watts of professional power breaks down fruits and vegetables for nutrient-rich juices on the go. Ninja Pro extractor blades crush through ice, seeds, skins and stems for a smooth, even consistency. Twist on the sip and seal lids and take your drinks with you. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Twist on the spout lids and take your drinks with you for easy on-the-go sipping. Manually pulse to easily crush ice, seeds, skins, stems, and frozen ingredients for a smooth, even consistency. Do not fill the jar more than the max fill line with water because it will overflow. Once clean, remove the jar from the motor base. Rinse the jar, attachment, and lid under running water. Allow all the parts to dry before storing. For details, let's watch more.
The NutriNinja Pro provides powerful nutrient and vitamin extraction to extract hidden nutrition from whole fruits and veggies. Our patented blade design and professional power helps to break down ingredients and unlock their natural benefits. The Pro Extractor blades are designed to crush tough ingredients like ice, frozen fruit, and seeds to give you a smooth, even consistency every time.
Fourth pick in this best personal blender for smoothies list is Hamilton Beach Personal Blender. It's small and compact, the cord wraps around the bottom, which is nice, and most of all it blends amazingly. Just press the button and it starts. It's not loud at all either, a lot quieter than the bigger ones. It is easy to clean as well. It blends frozen food great. I had no problems making my smoothie with protein powder and multiple fruits as well. The next time you want a quick, nutritious breakfast, blend a smoothie in this single-serve blender. After blending, simply take the jar off the base and hit the road. It's made for on-the-go sipping and fits most car holders. White blender base, control panel, and cord with a damp cloth or sponge. The Hamilton Beach single-serve blender provides ultimate drink versatility and portability. It serves as a stationary blending jar during blending mode, and a detachable travel mug with lid that lets you drink straight from the jar and fits in most car cup holders. Extremely compact, it's perfect for traveling with you to work, games, or sporting events, and it's ideal for small living spaces. The Hamilton Beach single-serve blender allows you to make smooth, evenly blended drinks to your desired consistency and taste every time, no matter which fruits or vegetables you choose to use. Efficient 175-watt motor provides all the power you need for fast, reliable performance. Our fifth and last choice is Oster BLSTPV Personal Blender. Love this blender. Chops up ice, frozen fruit, and greens like nobody's business. This blender is durable and easy to clean. It's compact, holds just enough ingredients for a large single serve, and works great. I usually put in a banana, frozen fruit, coconut milk, and protein powder. It blends very quickly and without any clumps. I have a very expensive full-sized blender that isn't that fast. Best part is that I can just flip, unscrew the blender, and pop on the lid for quick travel out the door to work after. It's made my life easier in the mornings, and having a real breakfast has helped my energy level. I'm very pleased. The Oster My Blend blender is an individual sized blender and sport bottle in one that is designed to fit your active, fast-paced lifestyle. With quick and convenient one-touch blending, you can create your favorite smoothies, protein shakes, and more to enjoy at home, on a run, or at the office. The easy-to-use My Blend allows you to personalize the contents of your blended beverage and control the ingredients. Simply fill the My Blend sport bottle with ingredients from your favorite recipe, blend, and go about your day. For details, let's watch more.